how to make iron trapdoor stay open in Minecraft Java. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So there are plenty of ways to make an iron trapdoor stay open in Minecraft Java. So what you can do is to just simply use a lever right here. So I'll just add some redstone dust right here, use a lever, and then after that just open it up, and then there you go. The iron trapdoor will now stay open. And then when I turn it off, it will now close the iron trapdoor. What you can also do is to use a redstone block. So for example, I'll just add an iron trapdoor right here, place a redstone block, and as you can see that the iron trapdoor is now open. And then lastly, what you can also do to make an iron trapdoor stay open is to use a redstone torch. So to do that, just place down an iron trapdoor, and then after that, just place down a redstone torch beside it, and then after that, it will now stay open. And then if you want to close it, again, just simply break the redstone torch. Same goes with the redstone block right here. So just break it, and then after that, it will now close. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a iron trapdoor stay open in Minecraft Java.